Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to purchase from Known with Tabby. So let's get started. First open Known application, then select your product, then click on add to cart, view cart, click on checkout. From here you have to select your delivery address and scroll down. You will see your payment option. Select Tabby. And one more thing, your order must be at least 100 dirham. Your total order value should be 100 dirham at least. Otherwise, you will not able to purchase with Tabby. So after selecting Tabby, click on slide to order. Okay, after that your order will be confirmed. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel.